Gold, Showdance, Novice. Buona Sera, Senorita. Part A, 16 counts. Part B, 32 counts. We have a tag of 5 counts and 2 restarts in the dance. Part A, facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Part B, 32 counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And. So, the third time you're doing part A, you will have a 5 count tag. Let me go over it with you. The third time you do part A. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3. From this moment on, you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, back to your 12 o'clock wall, squaring up, and do your own thing. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Whatever you want to do there, ready to start part B. Then you have twice part B. The third time you do part B, you have a restart. Yeah? As well the fifth time you do this part B. So when I'm here and doing the restarts, they are both of the time exactly at the same moment. We are here with part B. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Weight ends on that left foot. You're ready to restart part B again to your back wall. Then you will arrive again at that same point. Yeah? But in this case, you're going to restart from that same point into part A to finish the dance with A.